Alright, today we're making cocktail shrimps. What you need is cut the chile, cut the onions, cut the tomatoes, and cilantro. Which I already have here some chiles cut up and some onions cut up. And now I'm gonna cut the tomatoes. So all the veggies are done. Now I'm gonna show y'all the next thing. Alright, so now we got the next thing, 2 pounds, almost 2 pounds. And I got this from Kroger's. You see, got it from Kroger's. Check out the tail. Check out the tail. Try to make sure you take out the tail. Alright, now we're gonna put orange juice and ketchup. Switch it to this dish. You use this orange juice. There we go. That's it. That's all we need. Now you don't eat it right away. Put it in the refrigerator for like 30 minutes and then you eat it. Yeah. And that's how you do a cocktail shrimps.